Hey, good afternoon. Mark Taylor with Commercial Roofs of Texas, and we are going to do another quick tip. I'm up on a TPO roof. You can see behind me, fairly large building. It needs a bath, needs a hug, but I got a couple things I want to share with you real quick. I want to talk about some of the things that don't get done that should get done in installation that are going to shorten the lifespan of your roof. Okay, so right here is a seam in a TPO roof, and the problem is this seam, if you look at it, it's not straight. That's not a manufacturer cut edge. Somebody cut that with a knife. And so what you see right here, these little these little pieces of fiber sticking out, right? That's the scrim in the roof. And so what happens is this seam is open now because they didn't put what's called cut edge sealant on this seam. So anytime you install a TPO roof and you cut the TPO and you weld it, you have to put what's called cut edge sealant down, and that seals that scrim so it doesn't suck water in. Because the water will wick in, and then when we get these temperature swings in Texas like we've been getting, it'll cause it to freeze and expands and contracts inside of the membrane, and it splits that membrane, and you end up with issues like you see here. This seam is coming apart. And this is easily avoidable. Every manufacturer makes cut edge sealant. Not every roof installer puts it on. So you need to be cognizant of what to look for on your roof. And this is one of those things you need to check. Cut edge sealant on a TPO roof, anytime they cut the membrane and they weld that, they need to put cut edge sealant in. I hope this helps you. Have a great day. Oh, and P.S. I've been told, like and subscribe if you like the content. We're going to try to put out a lot of information to help people understand what to look for on their roof systems and maybe help you save some money with some good tips. So like and subscribe and do all those things.